Hi everyone. Behind me, this is Kechara Forest Retreat, our newly set up organic farm. We started this farm about 2 months ago, and the vegetables that we chose to plant here are something we try to have more variety. We try to have something like tomato, kuramame, choy sum, lady's finger. The lower part we are planting actually chili, and very soon we're gonna have sweet corn. So at first we actually think that this area are quite big, and after we started, and then we feel like, hey, we actually have not enough place to really do what we want to do. And as you can see, this is a sprinkler system which we just planted into the ground, and they just finished doing it today. And when we on the water from the tanki on top, the water will flush down here, and then we'll move these green things. The water will spring and splash to the vegetables. So because raining season is coming to the end by this month, and we're quite worried about vegetables having not enough water to grow. So we have set up this very simple way of the sprinkler system so that we make sure all the vegetables will grow freshly with enough water. Okay, at my right hand side, this is kuramame. It's a type of bee, and now they are actually growing. It's still not matured yet. We have to wait for another 2 weeks, and it will, the seed inside will grow bigger and fatter, and that's the time when we can harvest. This is tomato. The tomato will come out about another 1 month time, and this is the small tomato that we are growing. And whatever vegetables that have fruits like tomato, we need a lot of sunlight and a lot of water. So at this farm, we always make sure that water is enough. So morning once and evening once to water the plants. As you can see at the lower area, that you see that we cover with the silver plastic cover and with the black netting. Okay, first I would like to explain the silver cover is actually to reflect the sunlight from the bottom, so that we make sure they will get sunlight from the bottom and the top. The black netting is to avoid too much of sunlight and also heavy rain, because they are still very new and very small. I'm very glad to have this place in Kechara Forest Retreat. The whole idea of having this area and to start this organic farm, firstly, we wanted to have a place for our Kecharian to come here over the weekend, or whenever they liked, come here to do some planting. To see this vegetable growing every day is actually, for me, something very looking forward to. When these vegetables harvest, that we would like to share with everyone that actually put their effort, sweat, time under the sun growing them, and like them to enjoy something very healthy, because there's no chemical we use at this area. It's all organic. Everything's natural here. Looking forward to see you too.